In this short video, I will show you how to find recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone iOS 18, then here's how to easily find out all of your recently deleted photos and videos. Go to your Photos app and scroll down. Here you will find Utilities section. Under Utilities, you will find the recently deleted folder. Just tap on that. And under recently deleted album, you'll find all of your recently deleted photos and videos. To restore any of them, just tap on Select and select the photo or the video and just tap on this three dot, tap on Recover, and the video will be restored in your photo album. So that's how we can actually find recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.